Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all ready to go. I'm heading towards Bali today. Now we're about 8 hours from the ferry, so I doubt we're going to get there today, but I'll try because it's the election tomorrow, and Janet doesn't want me riding on election day or the day after, which is understandable because, you know, it could possibly go off if people don't get their way. You know what things are like. So, and I had a great sleep last night, especially, guys, go back and watch the last video. That was a scary, exciting day, really. I was kind of half expecting a knock on this door last night, but there wasn't. So yeah, go back and watch the last video. This place was all right. They bought me a really nice breakfast this morning, but the bathroom smelt like cockroaches. And when I went to borrow a fork and spoon last night from the kitchen, I saw a big rat. So I didn't eat breakfast, I just had a cup of coffee. And now we're going to head for Bali. Let's go to Bali. And away we go, guys. I can imagine this place would have been luxury in its day, but yeah, people still feeling the results of COVID, I think. But anyway, we're going to Bali and we'll see how much Bali's improved, because we remember we were there in 2022, right after COVID restrictions were lifted, and there was nothing really happening. So let's go, we'll go and see how much it's improved. Oh, hey guys, someone got hurt. Fuck all that weight behind all those bricks. Woo-wee. Guys, this is a bit of a sidetrack off the highway. I don't know why Google Maps brought me this way, but I don't mind. Look what's happening in this world. Yeah. Everyone forgets I've got these big fat saddlebags. They think I can sneak through like a normal person, like a normal motorbike. Normal person. Nobody that knows me will say that. Fuck me. Just had first fuel stop of the day, and I've got 7 hours to go. It's 8:30 in the morning. I could be on the ferry by 5, even with fuel stops and drink stops, food stops and things. I could be on that ferry at 5 this afternoon, but let's see how we go. This one right in front of me, when the sun's on it, it's blue. When the sun's not on it, it's silver. What a gorgeous colour. Ferry. Look at this, guys, just gorgeous. The coast on that side, jungly mountains on this side. I've got a resort in Google Maps, maybe 15 minutes further up the road. I'm about 2 hours from the ferry. So yeah, this is perfect. A couple hours in the morning, then we're in Bali. And my butt's a bit sore, but it's fine. I've done probably 6 hours today. Guys, this is really quite depressing. My hotel's just up here, just staying for the night. I'm about 2 hours from the Bali ferry. And I just walked through this little market here. Nothing. This would have been thriving before COVID. And I suppose it is the wrong time of year, guys, but still, it's there should be people here. There's just no one. One poor lady was asleep outside her stall there selling like shell jewellery. And as soon as I walked past, she kind of jumped up. Oh, look, mister, please, look, please. And it wasn't the normal touting, please have a look. She was desperate. It's, look at this, guys. No one. The hotel that I'm in is falling apart. It's supposed to be like about $25 US. I said, no, not a chance, mate, and was about to ride away. He said, oh, look, you can stay for 10 US. So, and the restaurant's got no food. So, guys, this really is Very, very sad. I don't think I've been anywhere so depressing in my life. It's really, I'm feeling really, really sad. It's just nothing. This place would have got the overflow from Bali. There would have been a lot of people that couldn't afford Bali resorts, so they come here, and it's just very, very depressing, guys. This is my hotel. See this? You can see this little ticket booth here. It's quite a flash ticket booth. All these little things here would have had food and stuff in them. This is the amphitheatre that it's selling tickets to. They would have had concerts and shows and things here, overlooking the water. The whole place is falling apart. So sad, guys. That was depressing. I've bought some other things that I don't really want, but people were so sad. You can see here, guys, all these little stalls and things. Just nothing. And it's all falling apart. And COVID was only, started 4 years ago. This couldn't have all come, all that could have happened in 4 years. And this is the front of my restaurant, of my hotel. It's just gorgeous, guys, but there's nothing. Absolutely, you saw how dead it was there. Just where I was walking along was that yellow boat there. That's kind of in the middle of where I was walking. So there's even a little dock for kids to play in. And there's not a single person here, not one. Oh, guys. Very, very sad. Very, very, very sad. And the hotel's obviously got a restaurant that's shut. Oh, I'm genuinely feeling like all those people that I walk past, I've picked up their sadness. It's yeah, these rooms are the expensive rooms, but I didn't need a water view. I kind of feel a bit bad now that I argued the guy out of $15 or 15 Australian, about 10 US. This is my room. Morning, ready to go. It's only about 6:30, so I'm getting a really early start today. I'm going to try and find a coffee somewhere. Sorry, I was looking over there because I was wondering if that's a coffee restaurant, but no, there's no one there. Like all these little stalls since I got here. Very, very sad, guys. East Java. If you're going on a holiday, think about it. But to be honest, I think everything's is too far gone, if you can understand what I mean. Everything's falling apart. They need people to come here to get money, but to fix things, but nobody's going to come here because the condition stuff's in. It's very, very sad, guys. It's one of the more depressing places I've ever been in my life. I had a big, long conversation with Janet last night about how sad I was. It really is like a ghost town here. Not a single car in any of the hotel car parks. It's like I'm the only tourist in this whole town. So unbelievably beautiful. Oh well, guys, sorry this last like maybe few minutes of the video have been so depressing, but this was really a shock to me. And the name of this area is Situbondo, guys, if you did want to come and give them some support. Oh guys, after all that depressing video, what a morning. I've got it now that I'm talking to you. I've got traffic, but I've had this, it's only not even 7 o'clock in the morning yet. I've got these roads to myself. Beautiful, cool, warm morning. What a day, guys. And we're exactly 2 hours from the Bali ferry, or 2 Google Maps hours. But the way traffic is and these roads are right now, we should make very, very good time. Angry monkeys. Everywhere angry, angry monkeys. Guys, I know Bali's like practically touching Java. So I have a feeling that is Bali right there. In fact, I'm quite sure that's Bali right there. Yeehaw! And I'm here, guys. That's the ferry port across there. Just buying my ticket off this lovely girl. 38,000, so about $3.80. Unbelievable, that's Australian. So maybe $2.20 US, $2.30. Unbelievable. And then we'll be on the next boat. We'll definitely be in Bali for lunch. And the ferries run every 15 minutes. So as soon as you get here, buy a ticket, you can pretty much be on the boat. That was really easy. But like I said in the Sumatra to Java video, ferry travel is always pretty easy in Indonesia. There's so much of it, and the Philippines. Java, Bali. And Bali, here we are. Plan for today is to do a little bit of riding, but really I just want to find a nice hotel, get a couple of days, have a couple of days break, get some laundry done, switch. I'm a member of a online creator school called Lost Creator Academy, put together by Christian LeBlanc from Lost LeBlanc. And yeah, he's built a house here for creators. And people can go and stay there and help each other, and it's big workspaces and everything. I'm not going to go and stay there, but I do want to go and have a look, meet some of my fellow lost creators. But for today, we're just going to find somewhere nice, have a couple of days off. And we're back in Hindu country. Beautiful, guys. If it wasn't for all the Australians, I would love Bali. And this is where I'm staying, guys, the Jimbawana Hotel in Negara. It's quite comfy. It was $45 a night, but they gave it to me for, well, about $30 US a night, but they gave it to me for 20. But now I'm going to go and try and find a haircut. And as you guys have seen, I've been getting scruffier and scruffier by the video. I think it's been about 6 weeks since my last haircut in Kuala Lumpur, I think. So, feeling a bit less scruffy now. Terima kasih, my friend. Yeah. And as you can see, I did find a haircut. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. As we hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.